The only way you can do this is if you get comfortable with delegating. If you don't, then you will constantly feel like that, and you will become the bottleneck.
Yeah.
So, what I sense, working with other people is that you grow up usually to your level of comfort or how much discomfort you can tolerate. So, you need to let go of a lot of things if you want to grow like that because you won't be able to be in everywhere. And my usual tendency was to be in everywhere, but then I realized, like if I do that, then I'm only going to grow so much. Do I want to grow more or do I want to stay, this size and control more? And, we opted for the first one. And you just need to make sure that you put people who are capable and that you trust and empower them and allow them to grow so you can grow as well and you can focus on what you do best, because at the end of the day, you're not probably the best at everything, although we like to think that sometimes. Um, you're going to lose some, personal touch, but what you try to do is trying to recreate the culture and then teaching them, to be an extension of what you want to create for your clients. So it's not perfect, but it's doable. So definitely there was overwhelm. There still is sometimes, but most nights I can sleep, so that's fine.
Wonderful. I,